I tested the Sony A7C pretty much right out of the box, maybe only 1 hour battery charged. I was excited. I used two lenses, the Sony FE 85mm lens and 20mm G lens. This looks amazing. Here I used the Sony FE 85mm f1.8 lens. It's in 4K 24p, 100 megabits per second, and the audio right from the internal microphone. The stills also look great. The creative style is in standard. Again, the audio is from the internal mic, and they were cutting and blowing the grass. This one is blurry, it's not perfect. But these are nice, fabulous. Here, I tried to focus on the squirrel, but it kept focusing on the grass in the foreground. So I kept pressing the shutter to focus. You can hear me pressing it. I didn't switch to animal under subject detection. Again, this was my first time using the camera, any Sony camera. Now with these ducks, some would be too close. The 85mm lens has a minimum close-up of 2.6 feet, so when the ducks moved beyond that, it would focus on them, but then not the squirrel. I don't know why. So I couldn't find anyone on YouTube who tests the in-body gyro stabilization feature and run like a madman or a fool. I'm about to do that here. You also need to use Sony's Catalyst Browse to stabilize it. This first try is without anything, but just wait. This try is with the feature. Exact same clip, by the way, unstabilized, but full clip. Tell I ran out of breath. quite tell, but around now it was pretty dark. But here's full frame at its best in low light. In comparison, here's an iPhone computational photography or videography. It would automatically lighten up the video in low light. And finally, I tried close-up shots using Batman and Wonder Woman toys as subjects. Again, at this time, it was quite dark. Thank you for watching. Do come back.